Struggling to convert Excel to plain text? Built-in tools often fail or break formatting. How to convert Excel files to TXT without Microsoft Office? Try Spire.XLS for .NET, a powerful Excel API that enables efficient creation, editing, and processing of spreadsheets with rich features and high performance. To get started, you can install the library in two ways. Download the package from the official website and manually add the dependencies, or install it directly via NuGet by searching for Spire.XLS and adding it to your project. Load your Excel file and convert it to TXT in just a few lines, making the process quick, clean, and efficient. Your Excel data is now cleanly exported to a text format and ready for further processing. Try Spire.XLS today and simplify your Excel data processing workflow. Download your free trial now. Thanks for your watching.